Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage App Store. In the beginning, let's go to menu, enter apps, make sure that you've got your account connected to the TV, and now you can download apps for gaming, between genders, video, sports, game, lifestyle, information, education, and next you can check your downloaded apps. If you want to search for a certain app, go to the top bar, select App Search, and now enter the app you would like to download. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.